Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to set videos taken from mobile phone to full screen for social media and YouTube. As you know, videos taken from mobile under normal conditions appear vertically when uploaded to YouTube, and this view is not very nice. Let's start then. Now, watch me carefully. Thus, you can easily do this. If the video worked for you and you liked it, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. We will do this with a video editing application. Therefore, you can download the full version of the application for free from the link I will give you in the description. There are many features in the application that will allow you to edit videos. We enter the site and click the download button from here. Then we wait for the counter below to finish. At this stage, we press the APK download button and download it and install the application. I will not download it again because I have already downloaded the application. You have to log in to the app and then you will make new project. Select a video from here and then confirm. Now you will press the canvas button, which is in the first row in the menu. Here you can choose the video format for the platform you want. You can choose for your YouTube or Instagram videos if you want. The application offers you many options. I use this application very often for my videos and I am quite satisfied. You can easily edit your videos from this application. Confirm after choosing your video format. To show full screen, your video will look like this. After this process, your videos will appear in full screen on your social media accounts. Now, you press the save button from the button above the right corner to save the video. From here, select the desired video quality and confirm. Now, your video is being recorded. And it's done. If you like the video and want more videos, subscribe to my channel and I will be glad if you like my video. Good day to everyone.